Hey tech enthusiasts, so today we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence. That how it has evolved from just a simple chess program to the digital assistant we chat with today. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the famous Turing Test, challenging us to create a computer so intelligent that human couldn't tell it apart from another person, means we won't be able to spot a difference whether a human or a computer is talking. By the 60s, we had our first AI programs. They weren't exactly Skynet, but they could prove logical theorems and play a game of checkers. But then came the AI winter. Turns out, making machine truly intelligent, it was not that easy as it seemed. It was harder than we thought. Funding dried up and the progress slowed. The 90s brought new hope. Machine learning burst onto the scene, teaching computers to learn from data rather than following the strict rules.
Support vector machines, neural networks. I know the terms are a bit technical, let's understand them. So, what is support vector machine? Okay, so let's use a simple real-world example.
Imagine you have a bowl of mixed fruits, apple and oranges. Your job is to separate them. A support vector machine would be like finding the best way to draw a line through the bowl that keep apple on one side and orange on the other, with the widest possible gap between them like you are seeing in the video.
Then comes neural networks. They are like a web of interconnected nodes, inspired by brain cells.
Neural network process information in layers, learning patterns from data. Example, a network learns to identify dogs in photos by recognizing combination of features like furs, ears and tails across many images.
These became the building blocks of modern AI. And with the internet boom, suddenly we had more data than we knew what to do with.
In 2012,
a neural network now, we know what is it, crushed the competition in an image recognition contest. Deep learning had arrived, and AI was about to go supersonic.
Deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning, using neural networks with many layers. Imagine you are teaching a child. In simple learning, you start by teaching them to identify the normal features like furs and feathers. But in deep learning, to combine many small details, not just fur, but its texture, color pattern, shape of ears, and the type of eyes, and so on. The AlphaGo vs. Lee Sedol match was a landmark event in the history of artificial intelligence. The match took place in March 2016 in Seoul, South Korea between AlphaGo vs. Lee Sedol. By 2016, AlphaGo was beating world champions at Go, a Chinese board game. A game so complex many thought it would take decades AI to master.
And that brings us to today. Large language models like GPT-3 and even GPT 4.0 can write code. And even crack jokes. AI can generate images from text descriptions and engage in surprisingly human-like conversations. With great power comes great responsibility. We're now grappling with AI ethics, bias in algorithms, and the impact of AI on jobs and society.
So, what is next for AI? Quantum computing, true general artificial intelligence, or something that we haven't even imagined yet? One thing is for sure, the AI revolution is just getting started.